Welcome once again to Microbrands Unscripted. This is a microbrand for sure, unlike Christopher Ward, who apparently is not a microbrand anymore. Well, I fully agree with that. Oh, but one wait. Even Venetianico is not considered as a microbrand anymore. That was a surprise to me when I posted that in Facebook, microbrand, League of Microbrands, and I was surprised that Venetianico is not on their list. And well, that goes to show that that's actually a prop to Benesianico because now they're considered as not a microbrand anymore. It's great. But this is not a Benesianico nor a Christopher Ward. This is coming from our brand favorite as well, Zelos. Yes, it's another. I can't speak. I can't speak, guys. It's another Zelos for the channel. And this one, if you're following the Facebook group, or Zelos Facebook group, Zelos Timekeepers, then you probably know or expect what this is. And this is, well, I forgot that it doesn't show in a card. But anyway, at least this is number 24 of what I'm going to talk about. And that's the travel roll, the now famous Zelos travel roll. Let's see what we're getting. Ah, yes! That's the Swordfish, guys. Look at that. Zelos Swordfish 42. Swordfish 42. And this is a little different. As you can see, this is the first Zelos that we're going to unbox or work with that is DLC coded. So, I mean, DLC coding, there's very little variance between DLC codings. Anyway, but let's see if the Zelos way of DLC coding is different. Let's peel off the stickers. Look at that striking dial. Right. So this is all DLC coded, but it seems that this sandblasted finish on the bezel is very well contrasting to the other parts of the that's DLC coded. Now let's unwrap this vein of my existence. Okay, actually, it's pretty easy to unwrap this time around. But look, whenever I complain that this is so hard to unwrap, Zelos comes in and proves me wrong. And then whenever I say it's good or easy to unwrap, whatever that microbrand does makes it hard to unwrap. All of this plastic. Come on, run another crooks. There, okay. And there it is. Look at that. There's a striking, I always say striking, what other way can we put it? Well, in typical Zelos fashion, we have a meteorite dial here and we have that really contrasting and bold and vibrant contrast with the black and orange loom here. And of course we have a loom, what do you call that? There's a UV light, so that we can see how it looks like. So let's try that out. Let's see. Oh, okay. So even you see, even the rehab or even the chapter ring is loomed. I didn't expect that. That looks like it was black initially. Let's see, okay. There's some really nice loom there, right? Let's put it on the wrist. Let's check it out. Very nice. They say this is 42, but it doesn't seem like 42. Yeah, well, black does seem to look smaller typically on many wrists, and that includes mine. But also at the same time, it's also because of the kind of lugs that Zelos use here. That shorter lug makes it a lot more wearable. And also you could see the champers, and of course that DLC coating. It has a very different feel. It's a little bit sticky for my touch, but that's because it's, well, DLC. Most of the time DLC does that. But here's another thing that's we want to feature here. This is something new that I'm angry at Elshen here because he beat us to it. Elshen is not the first one to do this anyway, but look at this. Look at that. You can now resize the micro just using that button. So you can resize it while you're wearing your Zelos. And I'm wearing it backwards. Okay. Let's turn the bezel. It's a little snappy. There's some little back play there, or maybe, oh no, it's the spring. Okay, it's the spring. Makes it. And also, I remember that he said that he did something, or he improved on the spring. On this one, it does feel different, but it's a lot more clickier than usual. That's what I'm experiencing right now. So, guys, this is the first DLC Zelos that I'm going to review in this channel, and it does seem special. It does look unique for a Zelos, which is quite a remarkable feat unto itself. So, comment down below. You know the drill, guys. Those comments, whatever those comments are, if they're interesting, they will make it to the actual video review. You can comment anything that you want. You can even roast me. I welcome that. Well, I don't welcome that, but anyway, you're free to comment. All right, you're free to comment. You have free will. You can do that freely. I'm not gonna prevent you from doing that. But you could be banned from the show if that comment is, something that's I'm really against, or I want to make fun of you. If we ever get that show again, it's been a while. But anyway, comment down below. I can't talk. I'm running out of breath. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. The interesting ones will make it into the video review. Zelos Swordfish 42, their new collection, and this one is the DLC version. Look at that. It even stands out on the table.